Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Anjali. Today I'll explain how to save images to file in Python. Before learning the code, let's understand what exactly saving an image means. Suppose we have opened an image in Python or we have created an image using a program. At that moment, the image is available only when the program is running. If we want to keep that image on our computer so that we can open it later, we can share it with others, or we can also use it in another project. To do this, we need to save it as an image file. Python allows us to save image in different formats like JPG, PNG, or BMP. These are simple examples like we can save an edited images, edited photo, we can save screenshots, we can save image downloaded from internet, we can save the image created by Python program. These are the methods that I'll explain in this video to save images to file. First will be using Pillow, using OpenCV, and we'll see saving an image from a URL. The first method is using Pillow library. Pillow is one of the most popular library for working with images in Python. It provides us many useful features such as it will help us in opening an image and we can resize it, we can crop it, we can rotate it, and also we can add text and it helps us in saving that also. In this video, we'll focus only on saving image, but you can also use this for many image editing tasks. Pillow is not included with Python, so we need to install it first. We can install it by using the command pip install pillow. After installing the pillow library, we can import that into our Python program and we can start working with images. Let's see an example. I'll copy paste the example and I'll explain each line of this code. From PIL import image. This is our first line. This line will import the image module from the pillow library. Why we need this module is because it contains the function for opening and saving images. For that purpose, we will write this importing line. Then open an existing image. Here, we'll open an existing image named flower JPG. The image is loaded into variable called image and now Python can work with this image. I have saved this file in this folder. I'll show. You can see here I have saved flower.jpg file in the working folder. Then we'll see saving image with new name. And this is the most important line. The save method here creates new image file and the new file will be renamed as flower copy jpg. The original image is not changed. Now we have two image files. This is separate and this is separate. We have two files. By using print function, we'll print image saved successfully message. This line simply displays a confirm message after the image has been saved. Let's run this code. You can see the successful message of image saved successfully is displayed here. Before running this program, our folder contains only one image. After running the program, another image named flower copy is created and both looks same. We have not made any changes here. Now I'll show another simple example to change the format of the file. Here we will open flower JPG and we will save this to PNG form and we will print image saved as PNG. In last example, we changed the name with the same format. Here with the same name, we'll change the format. If I run this code, you can see here image saved as PNG. Before running the code, we had flower.jpg. After running, now we have flower.jpg and flower.png, both formats. We didn't change the image itself. We have just changed the file format. The second method is using OpenCV library. OpenCV stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library. It is mainly used to work with images and videos like Pillow. OpenCV can also open an image and save image files. It also provides many other features for image processing. But in this video, we'll only focus on saving an image. Again, OpenCV is not included with Python, so we need to install it first. We can install it using the command called pip install OpenCV Python. After installing the library, we can import it into our Python program and start working with images. Let's see an example for this. Our first line is import CV2. This line imports the OpenCV library into our Python program. The name CV is the standard name used when importing OpenCV. Next line is image is equals to cv.imRead function and we'll write flower.jpg. The imRead function will read an existing image from our computer and then the image will be stored in a variable called image. Now Python can work with this image. Let's see next line. And this is most important line. In this line, the imWrite function will save the image to our computer. First argument is that name of the new image file. That is this one. The first argument which we are passing will be the name of the new image file. And the second argument here is that we want to save. And we'll display a confirmation message after the image has been saved. The message looks like image saved successfully. Let's run this code. We can see the successful message here. Before we run this program, our folder contains only one image, and after running the program, another image named flower copy jpg has been created. If we open both the files, they look exactly the same because we only saved copy of the original image. We didn't perform any changes there. I hope you understood this example. Let's go for last method, that is saving an image from a URL, which means in this video we'll download and save image from a URL. Sometimes the image we need may not be available on our computer. Instead, it will be available in some website. In that case, we'll first download the image from internet and then we'll save it in our computer. To do this, we use the request library. This library will allow Python to send a request to that website and to receive the data, such as we can receive images, files, or web pages. If the library is not installed, we can install it using command pip install request. Let's see an example for this. Our first line is import request. This line imports the request library into our Python program. We need this library to download images from internet. Now here we'll store the image URL in URL variable, and this URL tells Python where the image is located on the internet. Response is equals to request.getURL. The get function here sends a request to the website. If the request is successful, the image data is returned and stored in response variable. With open function we have used here, and we have passed two different arguments and we have given alias name also. We'll see what is this. This line will create a new image file named flower.jpg. The WB mode means we are writing binary data which is required for image files. Then file.write function response.content. The content contains the downloaded image data. Write function will write the data into the file, and once this line runs, the image will be saved on our computer. And at last, we'll print a successful message line by using print function. Let's run this code. You can see the successful message displayed here. Before running, there was no image in our project folder. After running this program, Python downloads the image from the given URL and it saves it as flower.jpg. You can write this code and check in your project folder for the images, like how it is creating. I hope you understood all the methods that I explained in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.